We're here in the Arlon booth today, and I'm with Billy from Arlon. And we've got, a pretty cool looking car sitting behind us. And I'm interested in the LexJet logo, of course, that's right there. But right above the LexJet logo is this Legacy Motor Club logo. And this Legacy Motor Club partnership, talk to me about it. What's so special about it? What is Arlon excited about?
So we're excited about working with Legacy Motorsports. We've actually been with them since 2019 when they were GM's racing. So we've been through them with all the changes, and now Legacy Motorsports. Our partnership started really on service and, introducing our brand compared to the competitor. Dick, who's my partner within this program, so we've seen this program really grow. We've done a lot of different things, by releasing the Legacy Gold and really working on the partnership and the team. And that's the one thing that we work really well with together, because they believe in team and so do we.
So what do you think it was about Arlon that Legacy looked at and said, yeah, we want to partner with those guys?
I think it was really more about relationship, not so much about the product. But at first it was creating the relationship, and then the product came in, and our quality and our service really put us on top with them, and that we created such a great partnership. And they believe in team, and so do we. So we were able to create a lot of really great things with them in regards to our program.
So for the uninitiated, what exactly is it that Legacy does with Arlon's products?
So they wrap all of their vehicles, all their race cars. So they wrap all those. They go around the truck, on the track. They also wrap for other race teams. So they use our brand for other race teams. Their inside graphics at Legacy are also with our other brands of Arlons, their stickers. So we're really a little bit spread out with everything that they use.
So if I'm looking to wrap my work truck and I'm going with a product that goes up as high as something that works with a NASCAR race vehicle, suffice to say, the product should probably do just fine on my truck or my sports car or whatever it is that I'm interested in wrapping.
Hey, these things go 250 miles an hour. So if we can stay on a car at 250 miles an hour, we can stay on your car, no problem.
So is there anything else that's important to know about Legacy and this partnership that you formed, or you think we've about covered it?
No, like I said, it's a really great partnership. The one thing is I really enjoy working with LexJet, and this partnership, we brought them in because LexJet also has a team mentality. And like I said, when you're working with this type of caliber of customer, you got to have that team and service mentality.
Well, with vendors like you, I think you make it easy as well. So it's always great to work with you guys. So if you're interested in Arlon, they do have amazing products. Obviously, they're going to live up to the billing of an actual real deal race car. So here from the Arlon booth, I say, Billy, thank you so much. I appreciate your time today.
Thank you.